In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier with CRM HubSpot. This integration is a powerful way to automate your workflows and enhance the functionality of your CRM. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and efficient setup. First, make sure you're at the right starting point by going to your preferred search engine and typing HubSpot CRM into the search bar. Once the results pop up, look for the official HubSpot CRM website. Clicking this link will take you to HubSpot's homepage. Here, you'll see the option to get started with the HubSpot CRM. Click on Get Free CRM to begin your journey. This link will guide you to the sign up or login page. If you're an existing user, simply click on Continue with this user to proceed. This option allows you to use your existing credentials without having to create a new account. After that, you'll be prompted to continue with this account. Confirm your account selection to move forward into the dashboard. Now that you're in the HubSpot interface, you'll want to navigate to the Marketplace section. This is where you can find and install apps that enhance HubSpot's functionality. In the Marketplace, you'll notice an option called Connected Apps. Clicking this will direct you to the section where you can manage your integrations. From there, click on Go to App Marketplace. This action opens up the full range of applications available for integration. Once you're in the app marketplace, use the search bar and type in Zapier. This search will bring up Zapier as an available app for integration with HubSpot. When you see Zapier listed, click on it to view more details. You'll find essential information about what Zapier can do and read user reviews to understand its impact firsthand. Lastly, you'll want to click on Install in the Zapier app listing. This action will initiate the integration process, linking Zapier and HubSpot seamlessly. By following these steps, you've connected Zapier with HubSpot, opening up a realm of automation possibilities like never before. You can now automate repetitive tasks, streamline your processes, and ensure that your data flows smoothly across platforms, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. Remember, if you encounter any issues along the way, both HubSpot and Zapier offer robust support options to help you troubleshoot and optimize your setup. So go ahead, explore, and make the most of your newly integrated tools. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!